Why do I have lemon in my mouth? Wow, gives you that taste. Okay, we're doing lemon video here today to remind everybody how great lemon in water really is. By the way, purified water. Lemon in water has some main benefits. So number one is it supports the immune system. Number two, it aids in your digestive tract. And number three, it supports weight loss activities. So these are some of the really key things that you want to remember when you're drinking water. Why not add a little lemon to it? So lemon is going to be packed with vitamin C and a bunch of other antioxidants. So that's a good reason to squeeze it in your water. Makes it taste a little bit better too, by the way. When you have lemon water, as it gets pushed through the digestive tract, they're saying, health practitioners that is, are saying that it turns alkaline. So using lemons actually helps produce alkaline water, which a lot of people claim strengthens the cells. We're made up of trillions and trillions of cells, so why not strengthen those cells so they do a better job kicking out illness, kicking out the flu virus, kicking out any of the things that can cause us illness. So that's one major factor. Number two is, I like to highlight the fact that you're made of water. The body is made of water, right? You are nothing but one big filter, and you're 65 to 75% water. Your brain's 90% water. So this body is water, and it is one big filter. So doesn't it make sense to drink good purified water with some lemon in it to help flush the organs of your body? You know, you have a pancreas, you have a liver, you have a kidney, you have an esophagus, you got a stomach, you got an upper and lower intestine. Wow, all these things are designed to absorb what you consume. So doesn't it make sense to consume things that's good for the body, right? Lemons are going to be great for the body. Lemon juice is phenomenal for the body. I heard Sadhguru say, if I eat a banana, in 4 hours I become the banana. If I drink a glass of water, in 4 minutes you become the glass of water. So it makes a lot of sense to have toxin-free water, but also to add those lemons to it in order to just give yourself the extra boost of energy that you might need. That is one of the greatest benefits of drinking water, is the boost of energy. Now, not only does it support the immune system, then if you're looking to lose weight, this is a great alternative too. Lemon water has been proven to help your process or your goal of losing weight. So if you're in, the goal is to lose a couple pounds here. Well, what a perfect thing to do then is to drink more lemon water. And lastly, if it helps your digestive tract. So what we've learned from doctors and scientists lately is that the digestive tract is actually responsible for producing all those neurons up in our brain. Don't we want to be able to help support that? In order to support that, it makes sense that we drink more water, and with lemon will actually help you do that. So if you have questions about your health, if you have questions on this, please reach out to me, because my goal here is, Drew, I'm here to serve you. Have a great day.